In today's video, I'll show you how you can improve sound quality in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, is that you want to go here into the project where you have the audio that you'd want to improve or the sound. So I have it right here. So first, listen to how it sounds without the improvements that we'll be adding. This is my sample audio for this tutorial. So that's the sample audio that we have. And now to improve this is that we just simply need the essential sound right here. So if you don't have this, just go into window and make sure essential sound is checked and it should appear somewhere on your screen. And then just simply click here or choose or select the audio file that you'd have and go into essential sound. And then you'd have these choices. So is it a dialogue sound, music, sound effects, or ambience, depending on what type of audio or sound it is. So this one is a narration or speaking voice. So I'm gonna go for dialogue. And for this one right here is that if you're just a beginner, I suggest that you just go for preset and select one of the presets right here to be applied into your voice, as this would already make a difference into improving your sound. So what I like here is the podcast voice. And from here is that you can play this and here if you like the result. This is my sample audio for this tutorial. So I think that is already quite good. It is already improved. But you could also go and tweak the preset right here according to what you'd want. Like for example, the amount right here. So let's say I'm just gonna go for 2 right there, value of 2, and play it. This is my sample audio for this tutorial. And there it is. I think that is already improved. And remember, you can also tweak this a lot if you'd want to. But again, if you're just a beginner, just go for the presets and they should do you quite well. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.